What is going, everyone? So, this video we're going to be talking about how to run Google Ads for flooring contractors. So, you guys probably tried Facebook ads. Quality is not the best. So, you're looking forward to Google side of things. So, there's two platforms of Google. There's Google Local Ads and Google Ads. The best, the best, I don't care what you say, platform to be on Google is local service ads. Even though it's very simple to set up, just need a couple verification platforms and that's it. You get up there, okay? Why is it the best? Let me show you. Flooring contractor near me. Who pops up? Local service ads, then Google ads down there, then organic, right? So Google local service ads is always going to be number one, okay? So I'm going to show you how to get up here first because this company right here in my local service area is getting all the calls. Not this guy, not this guy, not the people down there. This person right here, okay? So we're going to go over how to rank number one on local service ads. So there's many variables to this. So with this client I have right here, what do we do? How do we start off? Very simple. And how do we scale this campaign? So when you first start your campaign, you need to make it set to automated bidding. Why? Because Google's going to give you a test of leads. This is very important to have the structure. Automated bidding to test out the leads. After a week or two, when you start to notice a die down of calls, then you're going to start upping your budget. So right now we have this weekly budget set to 25,000. Are we spending anywhere near 25,000? Of course not. We're spending maybe like around 2 grand a month. Okay. Right here, it says his target cost per lead is $300. Is he spending 300 bucks per call? No, he's not spending around 90, 70, 60, depending on the service area, right, and their bid. Right now, we have it set to 300. So we want to outrank everybody. And the highest you can bid is $1,000. I would only recommend that when you want to just spend like $10,000 a month on ads. But right now, when you want to be around the 2,000, 1,000 a month range, you want to spend anywhere from 100 to 300 bucks for your bid. Are you spending that much? Most likely not. Have your job type selected. Update your pictures weekly. I have text messages turned off just because, I don't want to give it that many like bad quality leads. Right? You can have it on, you can have it off, doesn't really matter. Just from our experience with this company in this local service area, doesn't get many high quality leads with text messages. Have your service area, make sure it's set to 24 hours, okay? And then for the leads, the most important part is actually picking up the phone. Google tracks the time it picks up the phone. Okay, it tracks if it's over 60 seconds, 2 minutes, and how fast you pick up. That's super important. So pick up your damn phone. If you're not doing it already, click off this video. You have to pick up your phone, okay? Another thing with this platform, if the lead is bad quality, you get your money credited back. So let's say your phone call is 70 bucks a lead. You still get charged 70 bucks, but if it's a bad lead, you get credited that 70 bucks towards next month. So this client has over $300 credited back. And all the phone calls are tracked. So let's say, for example, you are not to try to say, but let's say you forgot about the phone call, right? You forgot what they said. You can go back and listen to the lead. Okay, you can go back and listen. Another thing is, if you don't pick up the phone, it's not going to be charged. So sometimes you can get away with getting free leads, but Google sees that. Hey, you're not picking up the phone. I'm going to rank you lower. Okay. Now let's look at his impression and reports. Right. Let's do last 30 days. Fine. Spent $2,100. Got 32 charge leads, 24 phone calls, 8 messages. And guess where he's ranking? 72% absolute top rate. So out of 6,700 people, he is ranking 72% at number one. So if you do the math, 6,700 times 72%, 4,824 people are seeing him at number one. So, what are the strategies? We get a fuck ton of Google reviews. The second you land a job, get that Google review. The second you get a phone call, pick up the phone call. Okay? Get your targeting right. Get your bid right. If you bid high, you pick up the phone, you get Google reviews, Google's going to keep you at the top. Google's going to throw you at the top. Okay? Over time, what's going to happen is this. You're going to get more phone calls and spend less per lead. Because why? Google wants you to do business with him long term. So you're going to be paying less per lead, getting more phone calls, and just better overall. So, guys, if you have any questions or any details you need help with to get this set up, or maybe try Facebook ads, I'm gonna throw my Facebook ads video right here. So if you guys want to learn how to run Facebook ads for flooring, click the video right there. If you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and book a call with me if you want to go into more details. Thanks and goodbye.